Alright, let's do this. Hello, everybody.
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to you. Okay, what are we talking about tonight?
Well, your mother-in-law
Delicious, yes.
cooked one of your favorite meals.
Yes,
Probably
it is.
the only meal that you like
This is my
cooked
favorite.
by her.
Well, I don't know all her meals, but this one in particular, yes, I like it.
So let's tell the people what she's actually done. She's cooking a type of risotto, more like a Romanian style risotto, but it turned out delicious. Yeah, she always makes it so good, so we thought we might share the recipe with everyone who's watching us.
Yeah, I like the flavor. I mean, it's very creamy, very, what is it called? Homemade, warm,
Comforting.
yeah,
It's comfort food, definitely, yes.
comfort food makes me feel happy.
So what she's done
inside.
there is she pours some olive oil. Now it depends on how oily you want it.
Oh yeah, how much?
The quantity is just right. I would say we don't eat things very fatty, but it's nice to be creamy.
But how much abroad, let's say?
It was about 2 to 3 spoons.
Spoons. Okay, 2 to 3 spoons of oil. Is it olive oil or is just?
Yeah, I just said that, but you never
Oh,
listened to me.
sorry. Yes.
And then she's chopping a big onion.
I like the technique though. Check those fingers.
That's probably because you did not sharpen the knife.
Oh yeah, I was thinking saying something about the knife.
Yeah, the knife needs to
Yeah,
be sharpened.
blend.
So yeah, now she's chopping about 2 carrots. These were average carrots, like not too big, not too small, just the right size.
2 carrots only, right?
Yeah, only 2 carrots. She's not making a lot. It's maybe like 2 cups. No, more than that. Maybe like
Well,
3 to 4 cups of rice.
Let's say for a family of 4.
It's 2 serves for a family of 4.
So this doesn't last until tomorrow, probably. Depend
No,
how
it will,
hungry are
yeah.
you.
She's chopping them quite small in cubes. Not the way I do it. I usually just slice big chunks of veggies.
In cubes. That's how you said it? Or and what's concasse?
I
heard
have
that.
no idea.
Chopping concasse. Maybe you guys, if you know how is the definition of little squares, or is for another veggie. Oh, I don't know.
I don't know.
I've just heard that somewhere. Okay, this is the second
It's
carrot.
the second carrot. I just wanted to make sure that you understand there are 2 carrots involved and not just
Alright.
one.
Cool. You want me to understand, or the people that actually?
Well, everyone
Listen.
who maybe you will replicate
Maybe one
the
day.
recipe.
Who knows? So that's the carrot and the
The
onion
onion, yes.
in a container, in a bowl. Oh, that's another carrot.
No, they're just 2.
How many? But that was the second one. Oh, I don't know. Okay, they look like 2. All right,
Yeah,
2
there are
carrots.
2 carrots. Some capsicum or pepper. I like it red because it's sweet.
What's the difference between pepper and capsicum?
Pepper is how Americans say it, and capsicum is very Australian. I don't know how British people say it.
Capsicum? No, that's French. No, that's not French. It's the same cut.
The same cut.
Yeah.
I call it cubes.
Okay, cubes. Well, they don't look like cubes, but okay.
If she had a sharper knife, she would have
Oh
cut
my
it.
goodness.
She would have cut it quicker.
I'm not gonna let that go. No. Okay, then you add it to the mix.
Yeah, it's quite simple. You don't need too many bowls.
Look very colorful though.
Well, that's the point. You need to eat as many types of colors, as many colors as possible, as colorful as possible, because that ensures as many nutrients as possible, I read.
Is that even true?
These are mushrooms. Now, this time we had canned mushrooms, which is fine. They still taste good in the risotto. Ideally, fresh mushrooms would do better, more flavor. But
Yeah,
that's
that's
fine
true.
too. They don't need to be very thin. I would have preferred them a bit thinner than my mom did here.
Whoa, I'm gonna tell your mom now. How many mushrooms though? You
I
know
know,
that.
it was just a can of mushrooms. And
The
I'm
whole
sure
can?
The whole can of mushrooms.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because you don't want to eat only rice. You need to have veggies
True.
with it.
True. But I like my rice.
And now she's cutting the parsley. But keep in mind that the parsley doesn't go together with the rest of the veggies in the pot.
Wait,
Because you want to keep it fresh. You don't
Is that-
actually cook the parsley.
parsley or coriander?
No, it's parsley.
What's the difference between?
Flavor.
Yeah, but I cannot tell the difference now in the video. I mean, what's?
Well, I'm telling you, it's parsley.
I'll take your word for it. All right. It's like one. How do you measure?
One handful. You don't
One
need to
handful.
measure everything.
Well,
you
I
just-
know, but you
Yeah,
know,
you choose
just
the
for
quantity
reference
you
for the
need.
people, because you know, many hands, many size of hands. You know, maybe.
As much parsley as you want.
Yeah, okay, there we go.
We like lots of parsley.
We as in you, your people.
My people. I like it. My babies like it.
Okay.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. I like in combination.
And
of
these are
everything.
some chicken thighs.
Hmm.
Not my favorite. I would have preferred some chicken breast, but
I
apparently
like
this one
chicken
is
thighs.
more flavorful.
Chicken thighs are, let's say, more juicy.
They are juicier indeed.
Juicy.
Just again, cubes, whatever shape you get. Now, as you can see, those were not cubes because again, the knife.
Oh my goodness, knife. How many thighs though?
There were just 3 quite
Three?
small ones. Yeah. So here we have the oil that was already
Hot.
hot, and she's just adding the chicken thighs and keeping them on medium heat until they turn white.
Yeah, it looks good.
You already ate this. Did you like it?
Yeah, I like it. The
Rice. It was 3 to 4 cups of rice.
Doesn't matter what kind of rice.
The
Or it
rounded
does
one is the best for this meal,
Yeah.
for this dish, but then you know you can choose whatever you like. And this one turns very creamy.
That specific rice.
Yes.
We should actually write down the brand, I guess,
Yeah, maybe.
for next time.
Yeah, and she's just mixing it with the chicken and the oil, and now she's adding all the veggies that she chopped so slowly because of the not so sharp knife. And to 1 measure of rice she added 3 measures of water, so the same.
Let's say 1 cup of rice, 3 cups of water.
Yes.
3 to 1 or 1 to 3. Okay. Did she add it now? No.
Yeah,
Later.
she's adding it directly.
Oh, there
She
you
just
go.
mixes it. Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
It's quite easy. However, although I love cooking, this recipe never turns the same as my mom's.
Oh yeah, I wonder why.
I don't know, I just don't like rice myself, so maybe that's why I don't cook it with love.
Yeah, you don't love what you do in there. A little bit of mix.
Yeah,
Mix,
and then
mix,
you
mix.
just let it simmer on low heat. Low heat.
Until when? Until all the water goes down?
Until all the ingredients are cooked.
So when you open the thingy, do you have to see water still, or
Well, look how it looks. It's just a tiny bit of water, and then you add some tomato paste because it also adds color and flavor. And you know, tomato paste is a concentrate of tomato, which is healthy to eat, especially cooked.
yeah, that's good.
And you just mix. I find this very satisfying.
Yeah. Like you said, comfort food.
Definitely comfort food, not Master Chef style food.
What is that?
Pepper. A bit of pepper, some salt, more or less. You know, mom cooks quite
Okay.
salty less.
Oh yeah, that's what I was
Yeah, I
gonna say.
ended up actually adding a bit more.
Yeah, I was well, I didn't want to say anything, because
Yeah. And
Mom,
that's
see-
parmesan
Parmesan cheese, yeah.
to make it even creamier. I don't like rice, but that is actually delicious and makes me salivate.
Yeah, it was good. It was good. Although It wasn't as salty as I would have liked it, but it was
Ooh,
nice.
this part makes me a bit uncomfortable, a bit anxious because the pot is so full. And every time she stirs, I feel like it's gonna overflow. And when you're like, it's coming out.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Whoops.
Ooh, I see what you mean.
And then
That's
a
the
rain of
parsley.
parsley.
Whoa, one just jump off the thing. Whoa, okay.
Ugh.
Nice.
Yum. Delicious. Do you agree?
I agree.
You should all try it. It's easy to make, it doesn't take long. It's, I would say, nutritious and definitely good for this cold weather.
Yeah, I
now
was gonna
here
say that
in
too.
the southern hemisphere.
It's been cold today outside, and that definitely helped.
Enjoy, guys. It was nice chatting with you or in front of you.
Until next time. Ciao.